Hey, Sergei.
Hi.
Nice to see you. Exquis and the new. Well, we saw this at NAMM earlier, I think, this year. So,
Yeah.
what's new? What's happening?
So yeah, since NAMM we've been working on a new firmware. First, the idea is that we improved the general sensitivity and added a new way of setting the sensitivity on the keyboard. So you can set this here and have a general feedback on the amount of sensitivity you have. So
right,
a very
nice.
low setting for to play really smoothly and softly like this, and to set a higher value if you like finger drumming.
Got you. Okay,
You
yeah.
see.
That's neat.
And second thing is the note layout, because we've had a lot of feedback from users that play with the usual hexagonal layouts. So there's a demand of another layout of that the one we propose. So for example, here I'm using a harmonic table layout. So here you have the chords like this, major chord, minor chord. So you can set the general relation between those two hexagons and those two hexagons.
Okay.
So they can spread all around the keyboard. Very soon you will be also able to set the individual values of each key on each hexagon via the app, just by selecting one hexagon per hexagon. Yeah.
Okay, so complete custom note.
Mostly we've been also thinking about this change of layouts, because lots of players are also playing with microtonal music. So things are looking like this, also to change the lights, make new scales. Everything is
So
now,
quite a lot of UI challenges, yeah.
Yeah, new challenges, and we're working on it.
Just to recap, just give me a kind of recap. These are pressure and velocity sensitive.
Yeah.
And do they have positional information as well?
So we have pressure like this, the Z-axis. We have the X-axis like this, and we have the Y-axis.
Wow. Okay, so that's quite
and
a lot.
It's individual per key, so you can control a key and move the other without affecting the first one.
Okay, neat.
And the initial layout here, the scales are showing up here. The initial layout puts the semitones this way, and this way you have the thirds. You have major thirds or minor thirds. So if you stack up thirds vertically, you play chords. Major chord, minor chord, chord with the major sevenths, minor sevenths. And yeah, basically if you play the chords on the scale, you play chord grids.
So I imagine sensitivity is key, because it might be hard to learn where to put your fingers to get the precise articulation and whatnot.
True.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, the sensitivity settings are also coming. For now, we only have a general settings for the velocity and of the aftertouch, but then we will have individual curves for all the
So
different settings.
is this layout related to? Because I know in French music there's a kind of a specific like accordion layout, isn't there? Is it related to that, or?
It's a cousin of the accordion layout, but it's our own. We have a patent on it. But the idea is that there's a whole bunch of different hexagonal layouts. That's why some of our customers requested to have like the harmonic table layout, the wiki Hayden, and so on.
Okay. So how have you got this hooked up at the moment? What's going on here with this setup? Because you've got, what's making the sound at the moment?
So here, this is a controller, as a reminder. It's an MP controller, so you can be plugged either via USB, to power it, of course, or to send MIDI messages. Here we can also be plugged in MIDI with the provided adapters, and also via CV. We have CV outputs to use with modular synthesizers.
Okay, nice.
So here we are plugged directly to my Mac here, which is running our own app. You can use any other app like Ableton Live, of course. But here our app is a plugin host. So you can load all of your VSTs. These are all my plugins. Then you can save presets. You can put all the basses together, all the keyboards together, and so on. So you can make tracks out of them, and then record clips or loops.
Okay.
And then you can see them directly from the keyboard and interact with them from the keyboard. So for example, I'm going to play something that is already recorded. So we have a song running. I can mute the drums, put them back on, and so on. I can change the track, improvise on it, you know. And the last thing we can do is to program the intro, the verse, the chorus, and so on. It goes automatically from one to the other.
So you're going for sort of clip launching paradigm as well on there, yeah?
I'm sorry?
So it's like a clip launching paradigm.
Yeah,
okay.
It just looked like an Ableton Live. It's the same philosophy.
So this is available now in this form?
Yeah,
or
the Exquis is available since February from our website, dualo.com. We're also retail in Thomann, Woodbrass, the different retailers, also in the US. So you can find it from €299 or dollars for the versions without the custom trims on the sides. And if you want the sides here with aluminum, we have wood, we have cork as well. You can buy it from our website, dualo.com.
Excellent, thank you very much.
Thank you.